Thandi had heard the word faith her whole life, but it wasn't until everything around her collapsed that she truly knew the meaning of faith. She lost her job, her health weakened, her home felt silent, but every morning she whispered, "Lord, I don't know how, but I trust in you." One evening, while deep in her thought, she felt overwhelmed. She didn't have answers. She didn't have strength. She only had faith. A small seed, but still alive. And sometimes a seed is all God needs. Weeks passed. Doors she didn't expect began opening. A new job came. Her strength and confidence returned. Opportunities appeared where she had never looked. Looking back, she realized something powerful. It wasn't effort that earned her. It was faith. It was believing when everything seemed impossible. It was trusting when she had no evidence except God's word. And that's how she understood the truth. When faith leads, victory follows. Yes.